They finally arrived, the actual i200 TWS. I did a video recently with ones that were bought as i200 TWS, but they weren't. They were sold as i200 TWS. They didn't have the smart sound ear sensor that turns the sound off when you put them in your ears. This one is supposed to do that. This one is official. It costs more money at the moment. But I will say the fake ones were absolutely superb. Apart from the ear sensor, I had absolutely zero complaints with it, and I would absolutely buy those as a great value set. I don't really mind about the ear sensor things, so I'm going to test these today and see if they're better. And I've got my iPhone here set up. I'm going to go into Bluetooth. So this is what you get in the box. You get your instructions in English and in Chinois. And we're not going to go through those at the moment because they're not very interesting and you want to get to the nitty-gritty. Here is the case. It's got this plastic wrap around it. Let's get that off. Easier said than done. I always struggle with this, especially on videos. Come on, where are you? I'll try and find it in the light. Here we go. Got the end. I thought I had it. I'm going to have to get harsh with it. So let's have a look. So there's nothing there at the moment. I wonder, it might not even be charged, so I'll press the on button, see if we've got any power to it. Oh, it feels quite a stiff button. Yeah, the other thing to note with the real ones, I don't know if you can see that, there's a brushed finish there. And this one doesn't have any text either. Oh, we've got a light. Nothing showing up yet. Let's try pairing it. I think I just turned them off. Maybe I do need to read the instructions. You'd think, not your AirPods. Connect. Press and hold the button at the back. Pressing and holding. Connecting. We've got the proper AirPods message, and we've got that now. Click done. Oops. And we've got AirPods not connected. Open the case. There we go. I like that. It's pretty cool. Let's just get some music so we can test it. Let's just play some Sia and David Guetta. There's nothing connected at the moment. I've just opened the lid. Is that enough to... Oh, that was me covering the... Yep, they're now connected, so you can see the little icon there. But let's take them out and have a look. Let's just check the snap. That is a really nice sticky snap. You're not going to be disappointed with that. There's no text anywhere apart from the L and R on these. They've got the usual. So this is supposed to be a sensor now. I'm going to have to just put these into my ears and you're just going to have to listen to me for a little bit. Nice bass. Taking them out of my ears. Took them out of my ears. Well, did it pause? I think they might have disconnected, but so right, it's playing now, taking them out of my ears. It pauses it. So putting them back in, I hear this note, come on, but I have to actually, let's try tapping to get it going. So the tap hasn't made it play. Let's try one while it's playing. Just got slightly wet hands. I wonder if that's the reason. Yeah, I don't seem to have any control over them at the moment. Let's put the volume right up. Wow. See, you can't hear it out of the ears, but you have to whack them, give them a real positive touch, and then boom boom. Come on. Right, well that's picked up Siri. Hi Siri. Close. Just trying to get the volume to work. Well, I can command that. Let's see what it says in the instructions about volume. 3 strikes left ear in a song. The next. Double click on the right ear. Play pause. Voice assistant. Double click on the left. Control call. Maybe there's no volume control on these. Interesting. That wouldn't necessarily bother me because once I set it, I don't really want to change it when I'm going for a run or something. So I'll have a little bit more of a go with these and report. I don't want to make this video longer than it is, but just suffice to say, they're really good. For me, if you want the ear sensor, go with the cheaper i200s that don't have the in-ear sensor. I really don't mind about that. Let's just put these back. Let's see if we can get the battery reading, just to show. Actually, we take them out, I think, and then we go to the home screen. We go to the home screen, and then we go. I think we slide in and call in the batteries. There. Let's try them in the case. So I'm not getting separate ones yet. Yeah, so a few things there, but the sound is absolutely tremendous from these. The snap is great. I'd go ahead and finish is not absolutely perfect. I really don't mind that. They support wireless charging. Now I'm not sure if the fake i200s, which I suspect are i100s, what I rave about in my previous video, I'm not sure if those are wireless charging. This one's wireless charging. I don't use wireless charging because I'm still on a 6S and there's not really any other things I can charge with it, so I can't test that unfortunately, but I trust that it's in there. So yeah, that's my unboxing, a quick look. I've got to get back to you with how well the touch controls are working because I'm not kind of impressed at this moment in time, and whether I'm just not got the right sensitivity and I'm pressing too long. You have to really work out your own ones, to be honest. What else is in the box? You get the cable, lightning cable. So that's a standard TWS setup. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. And another look at i200 TWSs. Somebody said that the sound wasn't very good. I disagree with that completely. It's a lovely rich bass sound, as good as the i100 and i80s that I've tested. So yeah, no problems with the sound, and that's really the main thing that you want from these. And also battery performance. I'll with more use, I'll be able to tell you about that, and etc, etc. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the little bell if you want to know when I add more videos. Cheers, bye bye.